There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello, self-tappers out there. Yeah, I'm doing the body now because, like I said earlier, the village idiot before me, the village idiot, used the metric tap. Remind me to throw all the metric ones in the garbage. Okay, lined up, but that's the next step. Put either a pin in here, which I think I have some pins. See? I don't know, like, how the hell, if it's supposed to be like perfectly in there, or how does this work? Don't ask me, I'm the expert. See, because that pin sits in there, but I don't know, like, do I need a 1/4 inch tapered one, the non-tapered? I think I'll just line that up. I think I'm just going to line it up and tap it out. See if I, first I'm going to try to find a screw for it. See if I, that's what, 1/4 inch. What's this, 1/4 inch, 28? I don't know what that is. I'll need something bigger than 1/4 inch, but anyway, you all get the point. 5/16. Would that work with a 5/16? Yeah, might be cool. 5/16 screw. I should try a 1/4 inch first. Anyway, I can fit a pin in there, but I don't know if you can see this. It like doesn't really stay. So do I Loctite it? Do I crazy glue it? Do I just leave it so it falls out and it'll do something? I don't know. But that's the next one. So hope you liked the video. Keep watching. I've got tons of more shit to do. I got a baby Wilton here that also needs a restoration, so I might just leave it, paint it pink, whatever. Like, subscribe, complain, do whatever you gotta do. Thanks. Bye.